Hello to all my friends out there. And so I'm having a crazy cheap birthday party. And look what happened to my cake. I cannot believe that I got a low spot. I had it on a cookie sheet. But this is going to be a good cake. It smells really good. This is a dream cake, and I will give you the recipe in a minute. So what I want to make for my party is enchiladas. And I was mentioning to my son 38 years ago when I married his father, I made an enchilada dinner when we got married. So this is a good cheap thing to have if you want a cheap party. So okay, I bought these steaks on markdown, so I'm going to grind them and then I'm going to fry them for my enchiladas. And here is the lemon cake I used, and I bought that for $1. And then I bought frosting. There's a recipe on here for dream frosting, but I didn't think that would be substantial enough for 62 candles. So this is really easy. And I added 3 eggs, and an egg is about a 1/4 cup. So I added 3 eggs and a 1/4 cup water. And next time I make it, I will add probably 2 eggs and a 1/3 cup water. See how this one turns out. There is no sense in my mind adding 4 eggs, but you know, this is here's all the ingredients you need. And I bought the Dream Whip at Dollar Tree, and this cake smells really good. And then I was at 99 cents only, and I bought some mint tea. And so I think mint tea is very festive, so I'll have some mint tea. So I will grind my steak up. And the reason I'm using steak is because I just happen to have these. And oh, by the way, thank you for all the birthday well wishes. I really appreciate it. And eventually I will answer them all. And so, okay, now let's see. I will have some, I will make this like hamburger. You can use any kind of hamburger, chicken for this. And then I will have some cheese and some enchilada sauce. And I will soften my tortillas on the grill with a little olive oil. And I bought this olive oil somewhere for $1. And then I will dip my tortillas in the enchilada sauce. I heat it. And so I'll have meat and cheese and olives, and then I'll wrap them up. And I wanted to make mention, I was happy because this is the one, where is it? Yeah, this is the one that has 30. You know, I make a special point to get the tortillas with 30 in a package, as opposed to 24 for $1. And here are my candles, and I bought the candles at Dollar Tree, and my candles actually cost more than my birthday cake, which is crazy if you think about it. Let me get a shot of all my ingredients. Okay, I want to show you one more thing. Okay, so now what I did is I heated my, there is my turkey and my noodles that I had last night. And this is really good leftover. And I have some of those buttery rolls. So we're going to have a couple little sandwiches so we don't starve out before the enchilada dinner. And so let me see if I can get this. Okay, God bless you all.